Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam. Tak lupa pula kita panjatkan doa kepada Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala yang telah memberikan rahmat dan karunia-Nya sehingga kita bisa berkumpul pada hari ini. Perkenalkan, nama saya Anissa Rahmah. Di sini saya akan memperjelas maksud dan tujuan dari presentasi yang akan saya sampaikan pada malam ini, bertema tentang keperawatan, tetapi dalam berbahasa Inggris. Oke, selamat menyaksikan ya. Nurse. A nurse is someone who is in charge of providing care to individuals, families, and groups who are sick or health. A nurse should liaise as a care provider, manager, and community leader, educator, advocate, as well as a researcher. Nursing. Nursing is a form of professional service in the form of fulfilling basic needs provided to healthy and sick individuals who experience physical, psychological, and social disorders in order to achieve an optimal health diary. Nursing process: 1. Assessment. 2. Diagnosis. 3. Intervention or nursing plan. 4. Implementation. 5. Evaluation. The first thing to do is the assessment stage, which is the initial stage of the nursing process and is a systematic process and data collection from peers that serve to evaluate and identify the client health status. The assessment is complete, accurate, and accordance with reality. Third, that is very important to formulate a nursing diagnosis and in providing nursing care according to individual response. There are two studies named: 1. Subjective data, 2. Objective data. Subjective data are words or interviews with patients or families. Objective data is a direct physical examination of the recording media, and it can also be medical records. The second is nursing diagnosis, where the reality that describes the client's actual or potential response to health problems that the nurse has permission and is competent to handle. The third is the intervention planning stage, which provides opportunities for nurse, family, client, and to discuss to the client to formulate an action plan. Nursing in order to overcome the problem experienced by client. The fourth is that inflammation is a component of the nursing process, which is a category of nursing behavior where the action required to achieve the goals and expected outcomes of nursing care are complete. The activities that are in the implementation stage are reviewing, updating basic data, revising the care plans that have been made, and implementing planned nursing intervention. The five are final stage, namely evaluation. Evaluation is the stage of the nursing progress which is a systematic and planned comparison between the final result are observed and the objectives or outcome criteria are established at the planning stage. The evaluation process requires some skills in establishing a nursing care plan, including knowledge of standards of nursing care and having a normal client response to nursing action and knowledge of exemplary concept of nursing. Things that are important in the nursing practice, namely 1. Professional. The definition of professional is a person who lives by practicing a certain skill or expertise that is involved with an activity according to his expertise. So, it can be concluded that professionals are people who carry out the profession according to their expertise. And the definition of professional here is addressed to nurse. Professional nurse are nurses who are responsible and authorized to provide nursing service sorry, independently and or collaborate with other health workers in accordance with their authority. 2. Critical thinking. Ethical decision making is a skill that can be learned by means of critical thinking which is seen as a basic competency for nurses for the ability to interpret, analyze, and evaluate in carrying out nursing action and can provide better care. However, with ethical decision making allows critical step, critical thinking can investigate the purpose of exploring situation phenomena, question or problems to lead to hypotheses or decision in a integrated manner. Critical thinking in nursing is a basic competent in accounting for the profession and quality of nursing. Documentation. Documentation is an integral part of the nursing process, not something different from problem solving methods. Nursing process documentation includes assessment, problem identification, planning, action, and evaluation of client Nurse Salam 2009. Purpose of nursing documentation Purpose of nursing documentation according to Nurse Salam 2001, the main objectives of nursing documentation are confirming that on all team members' health, provide evidence for purpose of evaluation of care nursing as responsibility and accountability as a method of developing nursing session. A document or note that contains data about the vintage condition which is seen not only from the level of fine but and from the type, quality and quantity of service that have been provided by nurse in the previous needs. Okay, thank you. Will, I think we will finish up here. Demikian tadi presentasi tentang keperawatan dari hasil PowerPoint saya. Saya memohon maaf atas kekurangannya dan terima kasih untuk perhatiannya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.